What's up guys, my name is Shri and welcome to my YouTube channel. I wanted to see for myself about this chai cup challenge that everybody is doing on the Interceptor. Well, I thought, let me give it a go as well. Okay, without further ado, let me call up my boy. Oi, come here.
What the hell are you making me do now?
Keep it right here. Keep it right here.
Just...
Wait a minute. Where's your mask?
Sorry,
Dude.
sorry.
You can't do that, man.
Yeah,
Where's your mask?
I know.
Yeah. Much better. Okay. Right there. Yeah, do the thing, do the thing. Okay. Put it in, put it in. Right enough? Great. Let's fire up the engine.
Now what?
Do you mind?
Yeah, I'm going.
Thank you. That's idle. That's pretty nice. It's about 1500 RPM. Let's take it up to 4000. At about 5,000 the glass sort of comes towards you, but it's still pretty down smooth. Pretty impressive. Man, making all these videos is making me thirsty. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, a like rating is always appreciated. Straight out.